How to turn off the Wi-Fi when it's grayed out on your iPhone. So if you're unable to click on the Wi-Fi, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this. Now the first thing you'll need to do is go and open up the settings on your phone. You can then scroll down to General and click on this. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Press Reset and then select Reset Network Settings. You'll then need to enter your iPhone password to go and confirm these changes, and then you can head back over to the main settings page. Now scroll down to Screen Time and click on this. Scroll down to Content and Privacy Restrictions, and you also need to make sure that Content and Privacy Restrictions is turned off like you see here. Now once you've followed these steps, you can head back over to your Wi-Fi and check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, you may need to go and force restart the phone. Now to do that, you can quickly tap the volume up button, the volume down button, and then you need to hold the lock screen button on the right hand side of your phone. So let's do this together now. We're going to quickly tap the volume up, tap the volume down, and then hold the lock screen button on the right hand side. Now eventually your iPhone screen is going to go black. Continue to hold the lock screen button down, and after about 10 more seconds you'll see the Apple logo appear. You can then release the lock screen button, wait for your phone to restart, and that should have now solved the Wi-Fi grayed out issue. If it's still not working, then there's likely hardware damage to the device itself. So if you've had your phone submerged into water or you've dropped your phone, there could be a problem with the Wi-Fi antenna in your phone. So in which case you'll need to take your phone to a professional to have the hardware diagnosed.